and welcome to the very first pre-session creative task video. My name is Vicki and I am your dancing and your drama and your music teacher for the Heroes of Our Time Summer School by Mousetrap Theatre Projects. Our theme is about superheroes. And we are thinking about what a superhero is and who are yours. The Makaton sign for superhero goes like this: super and then hero. U sign. Ready? Super, hero. And again, super, hero. If you like, you can try and learn that sign for our sessions. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sneaky peek behind the scenes into our summer school. So the first thing I'm going to show you is our superhero dance. So some of you might know this dance already. Rank that by Soldier Boy, and it has an amazing beat. And in the song, it has a Superman move. I'm going to teach you the dance moves, and then next week we're going to do it for real with the music as well. I can't wait. It is a really powerful dance, and I want you to imagine that it is powering up your inner superhero. You put your hands in fists if you can, and then you cross one arm in front of the other, it doesn't matter what arm, and then you bring them out to your sides. We do that move 3 times. We do a Superman move of your choice. I'm going to do this one, Superman in flight. So the next move is you put your arms out to the side, and then you jump to one side, jump to the other side, jump to the other side, jump to the other side. Now, if you can't jump, that's totally fine. I would like you to just move to one side, move to the other side, move to the other side, move to the other side. You can shrug your shoulders if you're able as well to give that jumping feel. And if that is too fast, that is absolutely fine. You can just do 2. Da, 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 and change. Da, 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 da. Let's put it all together. Next, we're going to learn our superhero wrap. You can wear a cap or a bandana, a do-rag, or anything that makes you feel like a rap star if you'd like to. Today, I'm going to teach you the lyrics, and then next week, when we do it all together, we're going to do it with the music as well. I will say the first thing, and you will reply. So the first thing is a call and response. So I will say the first thing and then you will reply. So I'm going to say super and you're going to say hero. Okay? When I say super, you say hero. Super. Super. Some are strong and some take flight and some can think with all their might. Some are fast and some lay low, and some can make our city glow. Some are kind and some we find in everyday places if we try. When we meet each other next week, we're going to introduce ourselves. The last thing I would like you to do is have a think about some sort of movement that goes with your name. For example, the first letter of my name is a V. So I might think of something that I can do with my hands or arms, or another part of my body that has a V shape. I could even draw my V. If I'm feeling shy, I can just sign the first letter of my name like this. Or maybe you could think about something that you like. I love crisps. So I could make that into a movement, for example. Or maybe you already have a favourite dance move that you can show everybody. I'm looking forward to seeing your movements, and I am so excited to start the summer school finally next week. Can't wait to see you all. Bye!